Okay guys, this is Robert from Trade the Moment. It's Monday, January 4th. It is now 12:37 and I want to just show you a quick trade. We're looking at FUBO as a short. It's posted in my room on Discord. You can find it at Trade the Moment. Go under the stock channel, it's free. Many of your ideas are there. You can share ideas with others. We're looking at a short here of 24 with a stop here at 24.50. This is posted in the room as a short of 24. Okay, the stock is now a short at 24 and we're looking at 24.50 as a stop. So this is posted in the room. It has been posted about 10 minutes ago. So we're shorting at 24 and we're covering at 24.50. We'll be covering. There's 50 cents risk in this stock from 24. There it goes now. Go to the tape. Here it comes. 86, 84, 86. This is just a quick trade on a breakdown, on a field break, on a field reversal. It broke down this morning. It channeled. It broke down again. Channeled, broke down again. And the reversals right here is what we look for. You can call it a 4-bar reversal, 1, 2, 3, 4, really 5 bars. But here's the reversal. Put a pivot in as the top. Broke the bottom of this channel at 24 is where we identified it as a short. So this trade is now working. We'll watch this trade. We'll follow it through. 24 short, and we'll watch the tape. We're looking to take some profits maybe at 23.60, 50, somewhere in that neighborhood. The Dow is stuck 644. The Nasdaq is stuck 295. And the S&P is 83 points negative. So it's quite a sell-off. Let's see if we can get a push down here. We're at 83, 81, 79, nice, 74, beautiful. Let's put an order in at 23.50 to close 3/4. 3/4 out at 23.50. I'll post that in the room. That will be posted in the room on Discord. You can find that in the stock channel. That is FUBO close cover three-quarters at 23.50. 23.50, and we'll let this trade run a little bit. We'll move the stop once it triggers. If we can get 23.50 here, we'll take 50 cents from 3/4 of the trade. We'll move the stop from 24.50 to our entry at 24, and we'll let this trade play out. So we're looking for one more push down here. One more push down to take out the bottom. So it's working. It's right back to our entry, and we'll follow this trade and we'll see if we can get paid on this trade. We got the first push off. We got a pivot down here where it came down and made almost a new low. So we're looking to take out that run. And that's where we take our first 3/4 out. That's what we're looking for, approximately 23.50 to get rid of 3/4 of this trade we'll cover. And then we'll move our stop down to our entry, which was at 24. And we'll have a free trade, and we'd have gotten paid, which is more important. So as you can see, we're at 23.94. We came down to 70 something on this pivot. 62, I didn't see that, but okay, 70, 62. So we just need one push down on FUBO, and that's right here. So keep an eye on that. I'll keep scanning, looking for other trades. Can is another one we have posted in the room. This is an entry at 6.15. This will be a short at about 6.15. If we can get there, we will take this trade short at 6.15. I don't know if it's going to get there, but this trade has gotten weaker since the opening. You look at the 5. If you look at the 5, you'll see the stock was met with sellers very early. It rallied, it failed, hit beaver, went below it, Tried it again, got rejected on VWAP again. So we're at 623. This is posted on the room on Discord at 6:15 as your short. You can find that on Trade the Moment. You can go to the website www.tradethemoment.com and there'll be a button there to launch for Discord or go to Discord. So this trade is going to be live at 6:15 as your short. FUBO is already short at 24. We're taking 3/4 of this trade out at 23.50. It is posted in the room. Here it comes, beautiful. We want to get paid at 23.50, so 3/4 will go. We will keep 1/4 of the trade and move the stop, and it'll be a free trade. Just need one bar to push down. As of now, the market's stuck. The Dow Jones, the diamonds, is stuck right here. You'll find the diamonds, the tracking stock of the Dow, $6.70. That makes the Dow down almost 700 points right now. 694 to be exact. The Nasdaq 315, it broke 300, and the SPY 89 points. The SPY tried to hammer here on the 5-minute bar, but it couldn't hold. It was posted in the room to see if it holds 366, and it couldn't. And the SPY is now about to make new lows on the day. FUBO is getting close to taking profits. We just need one more push down to 23.50 or lower, and then 3/4 of the trade will be gone. That would be a nice winner. That would be 50 cents. And then we can move our stop. So we're going to keep an eye on FUBO. Hopefully we can get that 23.50 and get paid. SPY is heading down to take out new lows. FUBO is holding. We need a break of 23.50 and we need about one more push. 1 or 2 more 2-minute bars and we shall be there hopefully. So let's just keep this trade going. Can is getting closer to that 6.15 short. It's posted in the room, $6.15. Clears everything from this morning. So one trade live right now, which is FUBO, and one trade we are watching, CAN. We have a small play out from this morning on Schlumberger in the room. I believe that was posted earlier, 21.74, so it's right there now. We got a small buy on it, and I think we put a stop out there at when it wasn't going at 21.90. A sell order at 21.90. There's no stop in place. We'll just let this one play out. So we're long 21.74 early in the room. Can is getting real close to 6.15. It's at 6.22, and FUBO is holding. We need a breakdown. So we'll keep these trades on the screen for now. I'd like to see 23.50. It's getting weak now. It's pivoting lower. We need to take these pivots out down here, and we could try to get 23.50 if we can break those pivots. So these are the pivots we want to break. And then we'll take our stop. Where we enter 24, we'll take our stop at 24.50 and move that to our entry on the last quarter. So the trade's working, it's just not getting the full 50 cents like we need, but it's early. We're only in this trade probably 6 minutes, 7 minutes. We're going on our 5th 2-minute bar, and it's getting weak now. As you can see, it pivoted up and now it's red again. So this may be the shot right here. This pivot here, if it breaks these, could get to 23.50, and that would pay us. Here we come. 23.64, 61, beautiful, beautiful, guys. 60, come on. 50 or lower, 23.50 or lower. Can's not working, it's not triggered yet, but it's getting there. The market may save it to the market reversals. If it don't, 615 just short here. FUBO is starting to get there. We just need one more bar, one more push down to 23.50, guys. SPY is printing another red bar on the 5. Just flipped 2 minutes ago, and it's about to make another low. Okay, here we go, 54th. Looking for 50, 23.50. We will close 3/4 of this position, guys. 3/4. 53. I want one more push, baby. 53. 53. Let's go. Let's get to 23.50 and let's get paid. 51. Here we go. 23.50. Beautiful. Okay, so let's take the stop now that we entered at 24, and let's move our stop, which was 24.50, to 24 where we entered. So 3/4 of this trade is completed at a 50-cent profit on 3/4, and we will let the other quarter run and see what we get. I'll post it in the room. If we can get to 23, we will sell the remaining quarter of FUBO. Close last quarter at $23. Use stop of 24 as entry. That's a 50-cent winner on FUBO, and we're going to continue to watch that. So we got paid 50 cents on this trade. CAN is still alive, guys. Keep in mind 615, and that's alive. And FUBO, we have locked in 50 cents. We entered at 24 with a stop of 24.50. We closed 3/4 of the position at 23.50. We moved the stop to our entries 24. So this trade's nothing but profit. We got paid. We protected the trade. We protected our capital, and we're trying to get paid again by the last quarter at about 23. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm going to be trading in my room. Visit me at Trade the Moment on Discord, or visit my website at tradethemoment.com and hit the launch button to the website.